We're going to talk about our homemade airsoft field. Okay, this is base one. As you can see, kinda, it is triangular shape. Yeah, it's got a little window right there. Got a little window. Kinda small and impact in here, as you can see. No space or room. And then you got the little space around there. Milk duds. Some good stuff. And nums. Okay, follow me. This is detachable flag barrier, I guess you could say. Flag would go up there and the guard would stand back here and watch the flag. It's a little 5-second barrier. Then we have over here a little sniping spot. Get a good view of what's going on out there. And then we're going over, just walking an epically failed bike hill. And then we have a little gap here. And then we have a good view of what's going on out there. Okay. Pretty good, I guess. Then we have a one-man trench. Yeah, okay cover, I guess. You can get a 90-degree view of what's going on. Good. Then over here, we have a type of box, which you can duck and see there. You have a little hole right there. You have a hole to snipe out of. You have a gap to snipe out of. And then you have another hole right there to snipe out of. And we're good. We're good. Back over here. We have a prone sniping spot. You get down in here with your sniper. And you pop the guy that's in the box up there. Okay. Yeah. We're good? Okay. Then right here, we have a 2.5-foot trench with a nice little box shield right there, okay. We got a good view of what's going on back. Okay. Keep going. We have a nice little